How a sense of belonging develops, a conceptual model of academic belonging from cited perspectives. About 53% of Canadians have completed post-secondary programs. Evidence indicates that sense of belonging is important for success in education because it positively impacts academic performance, personal well-being, and participation in campus-related activities. Therefore, we wanted to know, how does a sense of belonging develop in academic settings? We recruited 8 students, 5 faculty members, and 12 staff members from 4 different post-secondary institutions in the Lower Mainland in British Columbia, Canada. We organized focus groups as well as interviews with the 25 participants and asked them questions such as, what does belonging mean to you? Why is feeling a sense of belonging in the academic context important to you? And can you give us an example of a time that you felt a strong sense of belonging on campus? We recorded and typed out the interviews, analyzed and interpreted the ideas with a team, and constructed a conceptual model based on the patterns that emerged. We propose a model of belonging to help us understand the process of how belonging develops. We found that sense of belonging develops in the following layers. First, affiliation. Second, familiarity. Third, acceptance and comfort. Fourth, emotional connection and trust. And lastly, sense of equity. Affiliation means being related to a particular person, group, organization, or neighborhood. Membership with a particular group creates a sense of attachment, which is the foundation for belonging to develop. Familiarity is having consistent exposure to the same environment. Familiarity encourages further interactions with our environments, whether it be social, physical, institutional, etc. Acceptance and comfort is the next layer and involves feeling comfortable to act authentically, as well as feeling that there is a safe space for opinions to be shared and respected. At this layer, individuals are recognized as equal members of a collective. Forming emotional connection and trust in a collective is the next layer. Feeling that one is able to contribute and that one's contributions are valued is important in fostering empowerment and a reciprocal relationship based on trust. Finally, sense of equity represents belonging at a systems level, where allocation of resources and supports are used effectively to create a fair system. We found that sense of belonging develops along a continuum, meaning that belonging is a dynamic process and follows a hierarchical gradient. So, why is this model important? Having a sense of belonging is key to our well-being. It may identify ways to foster belonging for students, staff, and faculty members from one layer to the next. Understanding facilitators and barriers could result in more successful program planning, culturally safe practices, and influence system policies. Further research should explore whether the proposed model reflects the experiences of more diverse populations. Now, think about an environment where you really felt you belonged. Do you think this model reflects how sense of belonging developed for you? Let us know your thoughts. For more information, please contact us at lbulk@mail.ubc.ca.